What up, YouTube? Welcome to Dip's World, baby. Let's get it. Yes, sir. So, what we gonna do today is I think I'm ready to get my inner frame painted gloss black. I've been wanting to do it for a while. It's winter time. Ain't really got nothing coming up except for the MLK parade. I think it's the 17th, if I ain't mistaken. So I got like 2 weeks to get it done. While I'm doing it, I'm gonna replace my 6.5s, put some better, either get new ones or update them, put some better ones in there probably. What else am I gonna do? Oh yeah, I'm thinking about ordering the cover for the Sony 7000 too, to where it's like a cover and it clips on like a magnet cover. I forgot who sells them, but I think I'm gonna order that too and upgrade that so that way when I'm riding in the rain, I don't, even though it's water resistant, those 7000 still get wet and the behind the screen gets foggy and sometimes the buttons get glitchy when they get a little water on them. So I think I'm gonna take care of that while I got it tore down too. So stay tuned and check out the video. Peace. All right, so check this out. We are down to the inside. We gotta get ready to disconnect all this stuff right here. Take the headlight out. Once we get the headlight out, it's gonna expose a lot of stuff. We'll start taking apart the wiring, getting it ready. It's a process, man. It really is. It's a lot of bolts, a lot of screws, stuff like that. So I guess without further ado, let's get to it. Peace. Yes, sir. So this is what we got. Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am. Whichever one you want me to say. This is what we got. We have the front taken off. I gotta take these off too to get this painted too as well. So I gotta take this off too. Well, it's coming along slowly but surely. It's definitely a process. You know, it's not a quick process, but it's definitely a process. It's gonna be worth it though. I've been wanting my inner dash painted gloss black for a long time, so what better time to do it than in the winter time? So I guess let's get back to it. We're gonna pop this off, then we can put the bike back over in the corner and get started on that, interfering, disassembling that whole thing. So yeah, so let's get started. Peace. Yeah, so the next process is gonna be taking this interfering off, which is probably the most time-consuming process. It's probably got the most parts out of everything. I mean, the screws that's gonna come out of here is way more than what I just took off for the actual interfering. Yeah, so that's gonna be the next process. So in the next video, I'll probably be doing that because I'm gonna make it a two-part video disassembly. So yeah, so stay tuned, like, share, and subscribe. Peace.